It's a very nice day today. We are going to do some barbecue. We're going to use branches from this orange tree. You can see there are some oranges from last year, and also there are some new ones from this year. We cut some branches here and here. So we are going to use these branches to barbecue. These are the branches we cut. This should be enough to barbecue some ribs. Barbecue is going to start. Barbecue started. Here has ribs, and I even put the 4 potatoes here. These are branches, orange branches. Ribs are done. Looks really good.